My name is Eugene Chepil. I will answer your question, where to open coffee shop, in the end of presentation. So my project is video analytics. So it's people detection and people tracking using video camera infrastructure. So when we have the website, we can use that we have a lot of information about our customers, users. We can see and track the conversion rate, where they click, what they do at our website. We can build the heat map. We can see how the customers interact and engage with our content, and we can improve our product. But what about real life? We have a lot of security cameras around the world, and we have a lot of data, but nobody actually uses it. We have camera in airports, transportation, streets, shopping malls, public spaces, and all this video without any analytics, without any information. So how we can solve the problem? We can use video analytics, and visual analytics market size right now is growing. According to prediction, it will be about $60 billion in 10 years from now, with 20% growth each year. And the retail industry only last year, its online sales $200 billion, and in-store chain sales $100 billion. So almost half of our sales in retail without any analytics, and people don't know anything about their customer. So there is few AI models on the market for object detection, and one of the fastest and the best one is You Look Only Once. You can check this information on original paper. It calls YOLO. It's pre-trained on Coco dataset. And let's pick the best one in terms of the speed, accuracy, and performance, and see how does it work for video security cameras. So this is a video from top view from coffee shop. And we can see that it detects like birds, skateboard. Sometimes it detects some of people. There is about 200 of people. This is Düsseldorf airport. It's not detecting any people, with accuracy about 40 or 30%. So that means that current model doesn't solve this problem. So that means we need to train our own model. So to train the model, I pick the images from security camera, label it. So I show the model where the person located with different angles, with the top angle, and I pick different environment. Then I do augmentation, and I do grayscale. I change the contrast, brightness, blur, and I show the model the hardest part, where the person is in this hard condition, to be able to train it better, and model can learn how to detect people in hard environment. So my new data set, about 5,500 images, about 4.7 thousand is trained data sets, the rest one validation and testing. I train model about 4 hours. And as a result, I train about 100 epochs, and you see the model is not overfitting yet, so I have a little bit room for improvement. The base model perform about 40% accuracy, and I increase it to 65%, and the average accuracy about 95%. But this is just numbers. Let's see how does it work in real world scenario. So as you can see, the same setup, about a 70% accuracy. It detects all the people on a frame. Also, another example from Düsseldorf airport web camera. So it detects almost all people with 70, 50, 77% accuracy. So we solve the problem with the detection from top angle viewpoint. So another problem, when you do object detection, the model see frame number 1, and it detects person on this frame, but this frame is isolated. On the frame number 2, the model don't know that this is the same person. To do it, you need to use a special tracker. I use DeepSORT, the original paper, you can see the link. And with this tracker, we can track the people, this is convolutional neural networks that get the weight from the detected person appearance from frame number 1 and match it with the frame number 2. In this case, it can create the path and identify the unique person throughout the video. So let's see how does it perform in action. Each person is unique ID, and when they're close across the line, we can count how many people going up, going down, and we can see their pass. So right now we get information from the video, and right now we can do some custom analytics on this information. So I have coordinates of each people in each frame, in each time period. I can create the movement path, I can create the heat map, and I can create a lot of custom scenarios. For example, the Düsseldorf airport, I can mark which area is empty, which is busy, where the line, where the people spend most of the time. With coffee shops, I can see the red spot where the people sitting and the blue spot where the people, I can check the occupation of the space throughout the day or some specific time frame. Also, I can create the waiting points and create custom scenario like how many people have been in the frame more than 30 seconds and stay in one zone. In one zone, you just mark the point where the people stay and just show the pass. People that spend in the frame like 30 seconds or 1 minute, you can customize it up to your scenario. So also I can create the graph with the time distribution, number of people detected in a frame. I can count the maximum people spend on the frame, average, minimum, and create some custom scenario for this and create statistics. Let's see how model perform in different locations. So this is Irish Whiskey Bar, street. It detects people. This is the same airport, but different time frame. This is Tokyo Street. It detects all the people as unique. It saves these people, and then you can work with the data. Basically, you can do zone analytics. You can mark and draw some area of interest, point of interest, and track how many time people spend there. You can create the lines and count how many people cross the line, like get inside the store, going outside of the store. You can create you can get conversion rate, how many people pass the street from the top to the bottom and how many of them get inside your store and see maybe your store is touristic attraction or some like must-have destination and people will just go there to take a photo but not going inside, and you can improve your performance of your interior design or anything like this. So basically you can customize using the data to create your own report. So what get measured, get improved. This is famous quote. And thank you.